Okay, listen up. I'm about to blow your mind because the 2 bucket car wash method is a fallacy. And here is why, and I'll prove it to you right now. When you look right here, this is my personal vehicle that I corrected, polished, and ceramic coated about a year ago. And I've done rinseless washes with the ultra safe soft sponge by the Rag Company. And I've also just done 1 bucket washes with foam, with my foam cannon, and just a grit guard. 1 bucket, 1 grit guard, 1 wash mitt, no second bucket to rinse out the mitt in between every dip, right? And I just do it gently. I do it easy. And I take my time. I don't push, I don't press down, right? And you can see here, through this unofficial sunlight spot, there are nearly no scratches or marring from those different processes.